What I'm going to do today is more of a procedure than a recipe. Someone, Jonathan, asked me how I do mashed potatoes. Someone showed me a super simple procedure. It's almost sinful. It's so easy. So I'm going to show you today how I make mashed potatoes. I have here one russet potato. It's almost exactly 1 pound, so it's about 450 grams. Going to cut it in half right through the middle. Place it cut side down on a plate. And if I remember correctly, these get microwaved for about 6 minutes. So about 6 minutes in the microwave. I'll check it with a fork. If it needs it a little bit longer, I'll cook it a little longer. This plate is a little bit warm, but what I'm going to do is just flip one of these over and pierce it with a fork. That's tender. Okay, excellent. Then bowl potato ricer. I bought this on Amazon. This particular model make isn't there anymore, but you can find potato ricers on Amazon. Drop your potato in, cut side down, and then watch what happens. You just squeeze your potato right through into the bowl. Get it all out. Gonna get the potato out of this side that squirts around. And then what you can do is, the skin is just left behind, so you throw the skin away and do the other potato. Then, to season this, black pepper. I love black pepper in mashed potatoes. And then, I don't know, a couple tablespoons maybe of butter. Good pinch of salt. And you can do as many of these potatoes as you need. Just serve your guests, and then maybe a few tablespoons of milk. I'm using half and half. And then you want to just mix this up. You don't want to work it too much because it'll get gummy. And there it is. Mashed potatoes. Taste that for salt. That's good. I don't like too much salt in my food. That's as easy. That's how easy it is to make mashed potatoes. So there it is. Fresh mashed potatoes, so easy to make. I could make a meal of that. I love mashed potatoes, and that's without even any gravy on it. Okay, so excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy a kind of a snack of just mashed potatoes.